Hey guys, it's Thomas here, and this is a quick overview of my Notion template called Roomies OS, which is dedicated to all the people who share apartments with each other, but also landlords who are looking to manage the operations of the apartment or the property that they are renting to somebody else. So let's start, and let me give you a quick overview of what is included in the template. So first of all, we have the dashboard, which is really a place to keep the information that doesn't change much, really static. So, for example, a good one would be house rules. If you want to share anything with either your roommates or your tenants, important contacts, also like phone numbers, etc. Then we have the navigation, which really outlines of what is included in the template. So it's people, announcements, expenses, and tasks. Okay, each of these things you can add here. So you can add new, either recurring or one-off expense. You can add a new task. You can add a new announcement. So let's start with the simple stuff. So the announcements, really, it's pretty self-explanatory. So you can add a new message that you want to share with everybody else, like a new person coming to the apartment or a visitor coming, or basically whatever that is happening. In the roommates or people section, essentially what you can do is you can add people who are either the tenants. You can also add the owner of the place, and you can also decide between being a main tenant or a tenant. So usually you would have someone, from the roommates, being the kind of like the main guy who is, for example, sending the money every month, the rent to the owner, etc., etc. Okay, coming to the household payments, this is really a great way to track any open payments, and also all payments that come here. But basically, let's focus now on the open payments, where you can basically track all the payments between the tenants themselves, or between tenants and the landlord. And you can also, of course, choose between payments that are regular, or recurring, or one-off payments. So let me just quickly show you how this looks like. So let's say it's $500 with a given due date. Then we basically select who is this paid by. So let's say this will be paid by by John and Thomas. So this gives us automatically the number that needs to be paid by each of these persons. Then we select whether it's one-off, and it will be paid to Peter. So that's really it, and this will be, let's say, for groceries. So this is a pretty simple way, really, to track the payments, which sometimes get lost. So yeah, this is the way to do it. And the last section is household tasks, which is again like a very simple way to manage any open tasks, which can be related to some household chores, or some one of things. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a pretty simple, as you can see, one page template, but I think it's a pretty neat tool if you're sharing a place, or even if you're a tenant, even if you're a landlord who is renting out their property, and who wants to add a bit of value to your tenants by sharing this template with them. And it does make things a bit easier when managing the shared household. So thank you very much for checking out this template. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and I hope it's a helpful tool for you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.